Adding scripts gives your site extra functionality. When you add a script at page level, you can delay the firing of scripts after X amount of time using our Events, Actions, and Targets feature. Here's how. In the Page Builder, click on Page in the top toolbar. Then click on Custom Scripts. Click the Page tab, then click Add Page Script. Give your script a name. This is important because it allows your script to be targeted by actions and events. Next, add a description and switch the script runs on page load toggle to off. Next, choose the script position. If you're unsure of where to put it, choose body. Finally, paste the code of your script into the box and click Save. Your script will be added and a small red indicator will remind you that you need to republish your page before you see the changes. Next, we'll add an action to the page level to make the script run after a certain amount of time. To do this, in the menu toolbar, click Actions. Select Add New Action in the Elements Properties panel. Set up a new action with the following settings. Event type. Select time. Select on time passed after page load. We'll do 5 seconds. For action, select script. Select run target script. For target, from the drop-down menu, select your script, which you labeled earlier just a few seconds ago. Then click Done. Now, when you publish this page, your script will run 5 seconds after the page has loaded.